Welcome to Cook with Jake and Joy, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're so happy that you decided to join us. Whether or not you eat a vegan, gluten-free diet, or you're just looking for some ideas and some ways that your family could be a little bit healthier, you're going to find what you're looking for here.
We bring it to you in a super fun and funny
Oh, we think so.
We think so way. And we want to kind of walk you through how you can use our YouTube channel. So you can find our recipes categorized by season or by type of dish.
So we're going to have desserts, beverages, mocktails, cocktails, green drinks. There'll be something on main dishes. There'll be something on side dishes, soups, salads. You can just use scroll down and you'll be able to choose what you want. We'll also have a description in the little captions so you can see if that might be something that you want to try.
Yeah, some of the things are really, really simple and really quick. Some of them are a little bit longer, a little more complicated. So wherever your skill level is, we've got something for you.
We are really excited that you've joined us, and we hope that you'll also follow along because every Tuesday we upload something new onto our Facebook page, Jake and Joy. And where else can they find us?
You can also find us on Instagram. Our handle is Jake and Joy Kelly.
And you can head over to our website, jakeandjoy.com, and we've got lots of free resources there, a free cookbook, lots of free stuff to up-level your health, your life, and make things a lot better this year.
So make sure to hit the subscribe button and share with your friends.